In this video, what I want to talk about is how to plug in an upsell for maximum profits. Okay, now what do I mean? What do I mean plug in an upsell? What I mean is right after we have gotten someone to buy our one-time offer, our lower dollar offer, we want to immediately make a higher dollar offer right after their purchase. Okay, and if at all possible, we want to build a sense of urgency because there is no hotter lead than someone who just spent money with you. The chances of them spending money with you again are so high, okay? They're so much higher than trying to find another buyer. You're going to make more money from your current buyers generally than you will from new buyers if you're doing your business right once you get going, okay? Now, so we're going to build a higher dollar offer right after purchase, okay? We want to build that sense of urgency, make them want to, make them need to buy almost, okay? And with an upsell, we want to make sure that our product is at least $27 to make it worth our while, okay? Because if it's not high enough dollar, it's just there's not enough return on our time, so it's almost not even worth doing. So go with something that's at least $27 and experiment with even higher dollar amounts because the higher dollar amount that you charge, obviously the more money that you're going to make. And you'll see, it would take you 3.5 sales at $27 pretty much to equal one sale at $97. So experiment with even higher dollar amounts, definitely. And ideally, this will be your own product, but it is perfectly okay to use an affiliate offer if you just don't have a high enough dollar product yet. Okay, when you're first starting, chances are you're going to put all your effort into creating just one product. Okay, so to come up with a higher dollar product, it might seem daunting, but in reality, you can use affiliate offers, and it's perfectly okay to use an affiliate offer. And I'll go ahead and show you right now how we can do that. What we have right here, this is an upsell, okay, that I offer my customers after they buy this $9 package right here. So after they get this $9 package, I say, hey, wait, here's an even bigger package. It's very related to what you just bought, okay? And this particular package of mine is about $97, okay? But if you don't have a higher dollar offer, what you can do is you can just plug in an affiliate offer, really, okay? What I have here is I have this particular funnel right here where instead of having my own affiliate offer after they buy, so after someone bought this $9 course, they'd be brought over to this thank you page that is selling my upsell. And in this case, this is something that I offer them on my thank you page that pays really well and it also adds a lot of value to people. So instead of having my own upsell, what I'm doing is I'm using one of my affiliate partners' upsell. And it's a perfectly good way to make some additional money by plugging in an affiliate upsell. So until you get to that point where you have multiple products and high dollar products, it's perfectly all right to, on your download page, go ahead and offer an affiliate upsell. Just like what I do, and it seems to work really well, is I make that the focus. You can see like they just bought, thanks for your order, and step one is I'm selling, this affiliate offer, and step two is to download what they just bought. But if you plug in a high dollar affiliate offer, you should do very well.